Alright, everybody, welcome to the stream. Let me go ahead and fill out into chat here. There we go. Alright, so in this stream, what I've ended up doing for these areas here, I was extracting some more assets from Destiny 1. I was particularly getting like bones and stuff like that, so I have a folder here of these bone assets that are like this. Camera's really fast. These bones look pretty good in level. Once I put them in, they might be a little dark to see, but I think I'm gonna kind of like layer these bones inside the map in various different ways. I think I'm gonna like use the foliage tool to paint them in here and make it look pretty good. But I think these bones look all right. Whoops, back that up. There you go. I think these bones look all right. I can kind of work with these. So, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of these for now. I'm going to use the foliage tool and try to paint these in a little bit, see what I can do and see what it looks like for the most part. That's what I'm most curious about, to tell you the truth. So let's see here. I'm gonna use the foliage tool here, and after I use that, let's see. I haven't used the foliage tool in a very long time, so I have to, kind of see how it works out a little bit here. I know I can customize it pretty well. I can layer out single foliage and stuff, and I can drop my assets in here like this. There we go, bring that down a little bit. And when I click on it, it will paint these in particularly. So in the Crota raid, particularly, by the way, the bones, sometimes they're in a pile and sometimes they're just kind of layered out as well. So I'm kind of gonna go for what I know in game in the raid itself. So I'll have piles of bones in certain places and just have a single bone scattered throughout. So I'm gonna kind of see how this looks like and see if it makes sense to me for the most part. Let's go ahead and I'll scroll it down like this. I think I need to add this to a tab maybe. I'll do that. Pull us off to the right a little bit. Can I scroll? This thing seems a bit like not right. Here we go. Let's pull this up real quick. Like it's really tiny right now. I don't know why. Let's see. Paint foliage. Again, it's been a while since I've actually used this command, so we'll see how this goes for the most part. Let's see, maybe I can barely see it. Oops, cancel that. I can kind of barely see where these things are right now. Why is it not working very well? Oops. There we go. It's kind of snapping in weird places. Maybe it's a bug. Well, this works a little easier. I'll just have this off to the right-hand side a little bit. Now I'll blow this up here, and I'll click on all these right now, and my brush size seems a little big. And what I can do, well, I know I can go into these properties here. There we go. So I can change the randomness of how I want these placed. So right now, for instance, if I selected